If you want to add a back button on your iPhone, there's no direct back button like Android, but you can use a simple workaround using AssistiveTouch. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now search for AssistiveTouch and tap on it. Turn the feature on. Once enabled, you'll see a floating button appear on your screen. Tap on it and go to the Single Tap option. Here you can set it to Home or App Switcher, depending on what you want. If you set it to Home, tapping the button will take you back to the home screen instantly. You can also use the swipe gesture to go back in most apps, which is actually the default and fastest method on iPhone. So while there is no real dedicated back button on iPhone, AssistiveTouch can help you quickly navigate using on-screen controls. That's it. This is the easiest way to improve navigation on your iPhone. If this iPhone tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick how-to guides.